Okay guys, so as you can see, this bulb is has gone out and we're gonna need to replace it. Okay, you do not need to take out this whole assembly. What you need to do is just find this area of the bulb here. The bulb is located right here. You find this area and you're gonna take a pick tool like the one I have here. Okay, a straight one will be fine. Okay, carefully what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert it here. You're just gonna pry and it should come out. There we go. That's all you need. Okay, not too much pressure and this should come right out. Okay, you gotta pry this area here. Okay, with a little bit of pressure, the cover should come out and the bulb, as you can see, has gone out and we're gonna replace it. Okay guys, I already took the bulb out, but the way to take it off is pretty easy. You see this pin here? You're just gonna push it back just a little bit. Don't bend it, but just push it back enough so that the bulb becomes free. Okay, so I'm gonna install it with this bulb, okay, which is the same color. Okay, if you want to go brighter, you can go with the 5K bulb, you know, but the customer wants the same one, so this is the normal color. I'm going to install that bulb. Okay guys, as you can see, the bulb is back on. Okay, just when you're installing it back, just make sure you put it from this side, the side that bends, and then you click it back in place on this side. Okay, and make sure that if you grabbed it from the element, the heating element on the glass, you get some sort of a towel and just wipe off, because you do not want any oil on this bulb or you're gonna shorten the life of the bulb. Okay guys, to install the bulb, not the bulb, the cover, you see those guides? Those guides are gonna hook into here, and then this is gonna snap onto that part that you had put your little pick tool. There we go. Now you should snap back on in place and we are good to go. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for future videos.